Well, this is Tim here from Eurosec Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust the screen size or the display size on your PS4. Just go to settings and going down to sound and video. Select it right here. And then we can go to display area settings. And under here it gives you the option to enlarge this or shrink it. Just use the D-pad up and down so you can see this. Applications will be displayed in the boxed area. Adjust the area to fit the TV display. So this setting is effective only for some applications, so it's not going to be every application. Now we can also go through the video output settings and we can look at it. And we could change the resolution. We got 480p, 720, 1080p right here, RGB, HDR, and we can adjust the colors right here if we want for HDR. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.